Quarrel. A heated argument or disagreement. Her children quarrel all the time. I don't want to quarrel with you. Terrified. Cause to feel extreme fear. He was terrified that he would fall. The thought of losing her job has made her terrified. Burst. To cause something to break open or apart. She burst the balloon. The tire of car suddenly bursts. Lick. Pass the tongue over something in order to taste or for cleaning. The dog licked at the window. She licked the ice cream. Squirt. Cause a liquid to be ejected from a small opening. Water squirted out from a hole in the pipe. Don't squirt at me. Mend. Repair something that is broken or damaged. He is mending his old shoes. The town needs to mend these roads. Stout. Bulk in figure or heavily built. He was a tall, stout man with grey hair. She eats fatty food, that's why she is a stout.